This section, we're going to talk about annual percentage yield, which is APY. It gives you the formula that we can use. R is the rate, N is compounding period. Same as when we were talking about interest formula. The first example is asking you to compare Bank 1 offers accounts pays 1.2% compound quarterly. Bank B offer and accounts pays 1.1% compound monthly. And they wanted to know which one is better offer. So what we're going to do is we're going to figure out what will be the amounts for Bank A. That will be using the formula, so it will be 1 plus 1.2% is 0.012 over compounding quarter is 4 minus 1. And that's going to give you 1 plus 0.003 to the fourth exponent minus 1. And then when you add them, and do the fourth power. So using your calculator, 1.004 power of 4 minus 1 is what you're doing. And then you will get something close to 0.012054. And if you wanted to change that into the percent, moving decimal space 2 to the right, so it will be 1.2054%. So that will be Bank A options, right? What about Bank B then? So the amount is going to be 1 plus 0.011 because it's 1.1%. And compound monthly, so N will be 12 to the 12 exponent. Then you will get 1 plus 0.011 over 12. You get 0.000916667 to the 12 exponents. And don't forget to subtract 1, right? This gives you 1.000916667 to the 12 exponents minus 1. Which is 0.01105. If you wanted to change that to the percent, you will get 1.105%. So when you're comparing this to percent, you can obviously tell this one have higher rate. So we call that Bank A offers a better rate. So now let's look at example 2, right? Example 2, Lily wants to set up 529 accounts for her new granddaughter. And she wants accounts to grow all the way to 40,000 over 18 years. She believed the account will give you 6% compound daily. So she wanted to know how much will she need to invest it in the account with different options, right? So here, when you look at it, The first one is trying to figuring out APY with 4% compound daily. The second one is APY with 4% compound monthly and 4% compound annually. So if we wanted to plug in those numbers, we will have 1 plus 0.04 over daily will be 365. That's how you're going to plug in the number. For the second one, because it's compound monthly, everything else is same because its rate is same. Compound monthly will be 12. The third one, compound annually, that will be once a year, right? So your N is going to be 1. So once you know where to put the numbers and what numbers to put it, plug in those numbers into the calculator, you will get 0.04081 for the first one, second one 0.04074. The third one will be 0.04. And if we wanted to change that to percent, the first one will give you, don't forget changing decimal to percent, moving decimal to right 2 space, right? So it gives you 4.081% and 4.074%. And the last one is 4%. So it's not really big difference, but you can tell that the first one, daily, will give you more better percentage return than if you're doing it compound annually.